This is a 4-pack of lightweight, super comfy beanies I was sent a review from Geyoga. So let's take a closer look. These beanies come in different colors and designs. This is a 4-pack with gray, burgundy, khaki, and black. Straight out of the package, they are quite wrinkled, but they are machine washable and dryable, so I'd say go ahead and do that before you wear them. They are super thin, just one layer. You can see the light shining through there, which means they're gonna be super, super breathable. You won't be all hot and sweaty and itchy in these. They will cover a bad hair day or a no hair day. They're great as a chemo cap. They're not gonna make you all itchy and sweaty, but they will just cover your head to give you a little bit of warmth and decoration, because why not? They all feature this cute little flower type of design here that is attached. Very nice sewing and everything. They all have this kind of like hem down here, and then you can kind of slouch them. They're just a really fun, comfy, stretchy, one size fits most beanie. Wear them up high, wear them down low. You could have some like bangs peeking out or not. Cover your ears, don't cover your ears, just super flexible how you wear them. They are made of polyester. They are really soft. Here is the inside hem. Like everything's really nice and soft. Nothing scratchy. This is the top. So cute. I love the kind of slouchy look. Super comfy. I love this flower. I love them. And I know you will too.